So welcome back to your own channel. We are once again back with one very important video, and it is going to be about JEE Main overview and marking scheme. Okay, if some of you have doubt regarding the JEE Main exam and how the marks are given in this particular exam, so after watching this video, your all doubts will be clear. So stay with us for the next 5 to 6 minutes, and your doubt will clearly be surely be cleared. Okay, so let us start with JEE Main overview. So with this, welcome back to the Test Prep Card channel. Hope all of you are doing great in your life. So let us start. JEE Main overview and marking scheme. So first of all, let me tell you about the JEE Main examination. So it is an entry level examination for different NITs, triple ITs and central funded technical institutes in India. Okay, so you can get admission in NITs through JEE Main, in triple ITs, in central funded technical institutes and some other colleges also. Okay, so it is generally conducted by NTA every year for admission into courses like BTech, Bachelor of Architecture, Bachelor of Planning. So these three are the particular courses, and there are different streams under these courses. Okay, now JEE Main is also a gateway examination for JEE Advance. If you clear JEE Main examination, you get selected for JEE Advance. Okay, top 2.5 lakh candidates out of around 11 lakh candidates appearing for JEE Main get selected for JEE Advance. Okay, and if you clear JEE Advance, then you can get admission into top IITs in the country. So this is the process. Okay, now talking about there are criteria, your eligibility. So 75% criteria for the year 2021 is removed due to pandemic situation, and 65% for OBC reserved categories is also removed. Okay, so this is all. Now apart from this, you can attempt JEE Main consecutively 3 times in 2021, in 2022 and in 2023, like this. You can't attempt it in 2024. Okay, talking about your subjects which you require in class 12th for appearing in JEE Main. So for BTech courses, you should have physics and maths as compulsory subject, and one vocational subject from chemistry, biotechnology or biology. Okay, from these three you should have one subject at least. For Bachelor of Architecture, you should have physics, chemistry and maths, and for Bachelor of Planning, only maths is compulsory. Okay, so these are the compulsory subjects. Now let us talk about the marking scheme for JEE Main examination. So it is a interesting marking scheme, and it is different for BTech, BArch and B Planning. Now talking about BTech, generally BTech paper has 75 questions and it is of 300 marks. But for this year 2021, you will have 90 questions. Okay, you will have 15 extra questions. Out of those total 90 questions, you have to attempt 75, but those extra 15 questions will be of numerical type. Okay, so earlier there were 5 numerical type questions in each of the subject like physics, chemistry and maths, but for this year you will have 10 that numerical type question in each of the subject, and you have to attempt just 5 of them. Okay, so this is the basic question criteria. If you do a question correct, then you will get 4 marks plus 4, and if you do it incorrect, you will get -1. 1 mark will be deducted, and if you do not attempt any particular question, then no marks will be deducted, no marks will be given, there will be a 0 for that. Okay, so this is all for BTech. Now talking about BArch, this year there are 82 questions and a total of 400 marks. For B Planning, there are a total of 105 questions, and for this also there are 400 marks. Okay, now talking about the subject-wise distribution in BTech, for physics, chemistry and maths, all have a weightage of 100 marks. Okay, for physics also you will have 100 marks, for chemistry also 100, for maths also 100. Talking about Bachelor of Architecture, for maths you will have 100, for aptitude you will have 200, and for drawing you will have 100. Okay, this is for BArch. Talking about Bachelor of Planning, you will have 100 marks for maths, 200 marks for aptitude and 100 marks for planning test. Okay, so this is all for the marking scheme for different courses in JEE Main for BTech, B Architecture and the B Planning courses. Okay, hope you get a clear idea about this. Now if some of you are NRI candidates, okay, and preparing for JEE Main, then Test Prep Card has prepared a special NRI ebook for you all. So the link of that NRI ebook is given in the description section, so I will highly recommend you to consider downloading it, and it will be really helpful for you. Okay, so that's all for the video from our side. Hope you really got the idea of JEE Main marking scheme. And if you have any doubt, you can freely comment down in the comment section. And if you liked the video, then consider subscribing the channel for more such content from our side. Thanks a lot.